Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Nursuci Andriani and I'm from Bilingual Class 21-1. Now, I will presentation about my final project for public speaking course in academic presentation on educational issue with the title The Role of Mental Health Support in School. The issue of mental health support in school has important significance in improving student mental health. In recent years, the government has increased investment in mental health service in school, including the development of mental health support teams consisting of mental health professionals who work with students and school staff. This team provides assistance to students with relatively mild to moderate mental problems, but some students still experience difficulty in getting appropriate help. Some students have mental problems that do not fall into the mild to moderate category and do not meet the criteria for special help from NHS service. In some countries, such as England and Victoria, the government has developed programs to improve mental health support in school. For example, in England, mental health support teams have been set up work with more than 1,000 students. It is important to increase the awareness and ability of school staff in detecting and dealing with student mental problems, as well as increasing collaboration with other mental health services. In this way, student can get appropriate help and get the opportunity to develop optimally. According to data from the World Health Organization, 1 in 7 children aged 10 to 19 years experience a mental disorder. This highlights the significance of mental health problems among adolescents and early teens. Mental disorder at this age can vary from depression, anxiety, eating disorder, behavior disorder, to autism spectrum disorder, ADHD, and many more. The factor that cause increased rates of mental disorder in adolescents can be very complex. These can include academic pressure, family problems, hormonal changes, social stress, social media exposure, and genetic predisposition. Better understanding of these risk factors can aid in prevention and intervention efforts. It is important to in Indonesia, based on 2021 Riskesnas data, the prevalence of mental disorders in adolescents aged 15 to 24 years reached 98%. 2021 Riskesnas data shows that the prevalence of mental disorder in adolescents aged 15 to 24 years in Indonesia reached 19.8%. This shows that almost 1 in 10 teenagers in this age range experience mental health problems. For example, in 2023, a female high school student in Jakarta committed suicide due to depression and not receiving adequate support from schools and parents. The suicide of a high school student in Jakarta in 2023 highlights the importance of awareness of mental health among teenagers and the and the need for adequate support from the surrounding environment. Depression, as a seriously mental disorder, can have a very damaging impact if not treated appropriately. When someone is depressed, they may feel hopeless, helpless, and lose interest in daily activities. In the case of this high school student, lack of support from school and parents could be a factor that worsened her depression. Example number two. A study in Yogyakarta found that 17% of high school students did not want to talk to their parents about mental health problems for fear of being scolded or disappointed. Research, research in Yogyakarta which found that 70% of high school students were reluctant to talk to their parents about mental health problems for fear of being scolded or disappointed, highlight the existence of stigma and a lack of understanding about mental health among parents and society in general. Fear of negative parental reaction is a significant barrier for adolescents in talking about their mental health problems. Reaction that may include anger, disappointment, or even feeling ignored can make teens feel more isolated and uncomfortable sharing. The importance of open communication between parents and their children about mental health is critical. Parents need a create Parents need to create a safe and supportive environment where children feel comfortable talking about their feelings without fear of being judged or disappointment. Additionally, it is also important to ensure that mental health services are easily accessible and affordable for youth so that they can seek help if needed without fear of stigma or other other barriers. In this way, it's hoped that teenagers will feel more support and care for in maintaining their mental main challenge and obstacles. 1. Lack of research. Shortage of conclusor and trained staff. Many schools lack conclusor and trained staff who have the expertise to treat a variety of student mental health issues. Stigma and ignorance. Stigma related to mental health. Negative stigma and stereotypes about mental health are still widespread in society, including in the school environment. Discuss students who experience mental health problems to lack of coordination and collaboration. In, Interagency coordination, a lack of effective coordination between school, parents, mental health service providers, and other stakeholders can lead to fragmentation of service and gaps in mental health support system for students. Collaboration between stakeholders. A lack of collaboration between stakeholders such as government, school, non-profit organization, and communication can hinder the development of comprehensive and sustainable programs and policies to support mental health in school. Systemic and cultural challenge. High teacher workload. High teacher workload and a primary focus on academic achievement can divert attention from students' mental health issues. This makes it difficult for teachers to provide the attention and support that students need. Unsupportive school culture. A school culture that is unsupportive and emphasizing academic excellence can exacerbate stigma and stress on students, resulting in negative impact on their mental health, teacher, and educational system. Impact on student. Mental health support can help students manage stress, anxiety, and depression as well as increase self-confidence and self-esteem. Students who have good mental health are more likely to focus in class, complete assignment, and reach their academic potential. Mental health support can help students develop healthy coping skills, make a good decision, and build positive relationship with others. Early intervention and mental health support can help prevent these tragedies from occurring. Students who feel support and accepted at school are more likely to feel respect for teacher. Teachers who work in school that support mental health are more likely to feel satisfied with their work and avoid burnout. Teachers who have understanding of mental health can be more effective in reaching students who need support and creating a positive learning environment. Mental health support for teachers can help them to manage stress and anxiety related to their work. Teachers who are knowledgeable about mental health can better collaborate with parents to support students in need. Impact on education system. When students and teachers have good mental health, this can improve overall learning outcomes at school. Mental health support in school can help reduce costs associated with mental health issues such absenteeism, retention, and special education programs. Schools that are known as supportive and inclusive can attract high quality students and teachers. By educating students about mental health, school can help create a healthier, more compassionate society. Strategy: improving access to mental health service, increase the number of counselor and trained staff in school to provide free, a comprehensive and structured mental health education program for all students from elementary school to high school. Carry out educational outreach campaigns about mental health in school involving students, parents, teachers, and the wider community. Train teachers and school staff about mental health to help them identify signs of mental health problems in students and provide early support. Build collaboration between school, parents, mental health service providers, and other related parties to ensure comprehensive and integrated service for students. Implement anti-bullying and anti-bullying policies to create a safe and inclusive school environment for all students. Social media platforms to uh, disse- disseminate information and education about mental health to students, parents, and the wider community. Successful implementation of mental health support in school. Number one, School Mental Health in Action program in the United States. Number two, KAVA program in Finland. And number three, Mindfulness in School program. Conclusion: mental health support in school is an important investment in student futures. By overcoming challenge and obstacles and implementing comprehensive solution and strategy, we can create a more supportive learning environment and help students develop into healthy, happy individuals and reach their full potential. Let's take care of your mental and physical health from now on. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.